I come here to attend the inauguration of our Vikarabad branch, which comes in Hyderabad rural region. So that is as per our plans to increase the number of branches of Andhra Syndicate Bank in Andhra Pradesh. We have taken up the success in the current year. This is the first branch we are opening in Vikarabad. Like that, we are going to open shortly at Jadcherla, Armoor, Metpalli, Siddipet, Manchirevula, like within city, Vanasthalipuram, Sheikhpet and Nizampet. So we have got lot of plans. We want to, for a syndicate bank after Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh has got the highest network. So we want to improve further because syndicate bank around 600 odd in Karnataka. Here now 425. We want to make it minimum 500. We are also present in North NCR region, Delhi. Good presence is there in all states except Manipur. Manipur is one state where we don't have presence. That branch also we are opening before this month end, Manipur branch also. And in all, as of now, it is 2,949 branches. We are hopeful of crossing 3,000 network by this month end because as on date we have got licenses, more than 200 licenses on hand. And we wish and we are hopeful that by next March we will be crossing 3,200 network. And ATMs also is one thing. We are going to put another 1,300, now we are at 1,306 ATMs are there. We are installing into another 1,300 ATMs all over India. As per the ministry guidelines, every branch is now going to be equipped with an ATM for the customer convenience. Aggressive issuance of the debit card because customer should be encouraged and educated to use the debit card so that he can have the money without any hassles from the ATM. That we are driving our field people to give more cards to every eligible customer. Similarly, for Kisans also, bank has started Rupee Kisan card. This is one thing because so far the farmers are taking their loans in the form of cash. Now hereafter they will be given a limit, they will be given a card, they can go to any ATM and take the money for their investment credit and production credit. So this is the initiative we have taken. Similarly, there are many other things bank has been focusing. And as I told you, March we crossed 3,34,000 crores. Next March, our plan is 4,19,260 crores. That is expecting a growth rate of 25%. So bank is now current year focusing more on retail, housing, vehicle loans, gold loans, and also mid-corporate MSME sectors. And these sectors are going to help us a lot. Last year we have done exceedingly well under vehicle loans and gold loans. Housing loans performance not so high. That where we want to improve the numbers this year with strengthening of the delivery channels and improving the delivery model. That is one central processing center we have created so that all housing loans can be sanctioned at one point with due diligence, with a chartered accountant, lawyer, marketing officer, all are equipped so that branches can easily give the housing loans. This model is going to help us this year. And bank has got further plans of new products also we are thinking. One is e-term deposit and RD flexi deposit. These two things are also are in the software development stage. And one more product, gold deposit scheme, we want to launch very shortly. This is also in line with the government of the direction. We will be launching gold deposit scheme very shortly. As I told you, for deposits, our current and SB is the main driver. Though interest rates on term deposits are very high, we are not reducing it as now, but we want to give more thrust for current and SP accounts. Similarly, advanced sector, we look at housing, vehicle, gold, and also MSME sector, mid-corporate and agriculture. So these sectors are going to help us. As usual, from Bombay, Delhi, we get good corporate credit, business proposals we get. That also will help us in reaching our target.